internet versus www. So we will start what is internet, what is World Wide Web, and then we will compare between them and we will give some real world examples. Most important question we will answer today, why some people get somehow confused between these two concepts. So what is internet? As we already explained in the last few modules, that this is a global network of interconnected computers and devices, could be millions of this. These devices communicate with one another using some protocols like TCP, like IP, which allow data to be sent, received, and exchanged reliably. And we already discussed that. The internet is not a single machine. It's not just one machine that everyone communicates with. We have said that it is like a massive decentralized system made up of many independent networks. So it's not only independent computers, but also independent many networks that are all connected together. And the key characteristic is that the internet is built on a physical infrastructure, including these cables, routers, servers. This infrastructure supports many different services like sending an email, like voice and calls, like a file transfer, like streaming, like online gaming, like watching videos, and so on. The infrastructure itself is the internet. And the internet can function without the web. Without web, you can still use the internet, for example, to send an email and so on. Even though today the web is the most visible surface of internet. So web is the surface, one of the surfaces of the internet. So somehow good to think of it as a essential infrastructure. So like it can be compared to the highways and the roads that connect the cities and that pipes that carry water or the electric grid that delivers power. So this infrastructure of any city is internet. So these fiber optic cable, like wireless network, like routers and switches and so on, the data centers, the servers. But what about World Wide Web? This one is one of the surface of the internet, and this is a collection of interlinked documents and digital resources. And it is accessed through the internet using this HTTP or HTTPS that we already discussed last week. Viewed through web browsers such as Chrome or Firefox or Edge. So this is a collection of documentation. The web is not the internet itself. Instead, it is a system that uses the internet to deliver content to users. And it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 to make information easier to share and navigate through hyperlinks. The World Wide Web, or WWW, is best understood as one of the services among other services that is run on the internet. So you can think of this as a digital library stored on the internet. So if the internet is a city, there is one library stored there, which is this WWW. The web itself is built around web pages, website, and hyperlinks. It sits on the top of the internet and depends entirely on the internet infrastructure to function. So you are using the internet to be able to build this www websites and to function them. And this could include traditional websites, modern web applications, online documentation, multimedia content, and so on. So what is exactly happened? How this www works? When a user enters a URL into a web browser, the browser sends a request over the internet to a web server. The server responds by sending back a web page, and the browser displays the content of this web page on the screen. So this technology relies on several web-specific technology working together, like including these HTTP or HTTPS for communication, HTML, hypertext markup language for structure, CSS for presentation, JavaScript for interactivity, and web server software such as Apache or Nginx. So now you have like something that's including all of these technology, and all of these technology are built over the internet. Why I would like to compare? Because many people really confuse when I say internet. You will say people will say, oh, okay, www. No, it's not. The internet is the infrastructure, while the www is the information system. Internet is connect device But www access and share information. The protocols using for internet is TCP and IP, while the protocols using for www is HTTP and HTTPS. The components of the internet are the infrastructure like cables, routers, servers, and so on. While for the World Web, hyperlinks, website, pages. The internet was invented before, like between 60 and 80, like we have discussed in the first week, while the World Wide was invented in 1989, which is like a really long time after we started already the internet, because this is just one of the surfaces of the internet. The internet is accessed via any internet-enabled device, but www is only accessed via web browsers like Chrome and Firefox and others. To think about it, you can think about internet like an entire city with infrastructure, with roads and buildings and so on, while www is a library inside that city that you are going there to read books, to contain all the informations and so on. But you are saying that many people are really confusing. Yes, there are several reasons why people are often confuse the internet and the www. Most daily digital activities are done through web browser, which hide technical details from users. So you don't know what is happening after you just type this URL in your device. Media and everyday language also tends to use the terms interchangeably. So if you say if you am writing something and the page is not uploaded, you are saying, oh, okay, this is the internet problem. It's not because of that, because the surface of the internet, we need the surface of the internet to function this www. That's why people are somehow confused between them. So what are the real world examples that when you use the internet, but this is not www. It is when you are sending emails, when you are communicating with WhatsApp, for example, when you play online games, all of these are internet services, but are not www. But what are the www one? Like Google, like Amazon, like every URL you are writing to access via Chrome or Firefox, that is, you are using web browser. Now we are using www service. Today we discuss what is the crucial difference between the internet and www, summing up that www is one of the surfaces of the internet that's including all the documentations and information that you can go there and search. It includes website and while the internet is including the infrastructure like cables and so on.